Okay, you got me?
Yep.
Standing, okay.
408 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 03 Celsius. Dew point 03 Celsius. Altimeter 29er. Remarks. Density altitude -600.
Butler County Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation
2999.
1408.
Almost
Zulu.
3,000.
Wind
Oh, what the heck?
visibility
Oh, the other
10.
way.
Sky condition
No,
clear.
too far.
Temperature
29.
03 Celsius. Dew point
29.99. So almost to 3,000.
Niner. Remarks.
There you go.
Density
Well, it should always,
-6.
it should
Always be 6.
yeah, well, it should be about 630
Here.
close to it.
Okay.
If you go to an airport that doesn't have this, where do you put the altimeter? Field elevation?
Field elevation,
Yeah.
right? Okay. All right. Certainly feels like fall now, don't it?
Cold last night, huh?
Here comes the sun. Did you fly yesterday?
Yeah. Couple hours yesterday.
On 29er, okay?
Rob, your choice. I mean, the winds are calm right now.
Yep.
Why don't you go to 1? Hell, what was the forecast here? 170 at 7? Hell, let's go to 11. We're leaving the pattern, so it's going down. It's quicker, huh?
Alrighty. I just hate
the
this.
prevailing winds are going to be what? Southeast today. Not saying some. Yeah, I mean, if I was going to do pattern work, I might go down there, but that's why it's good to look at that forecast, huh?
Okay. Flight controls are free and clear. Mixture still to rich. 1700. Dropped. Carb heat. Drop. Vacuum. Okay. Ammeter's okay. Power back. Sensor okay. Those are okay.
Yeah, why don't you go ahead and hit enter on that. Gotta set that up. and put the airport.
What does that do? It was already on. What is that?
It's going through a self-test, and it's acquiring the satellites now.
Okay, I was going to ask you to show me this today.
Well, once you turn it on, you got to enter it here a couple. Okay, so look, it's got all these satellites. See them all? So it's got all these. It only needs 4. It's got about 8 right now, so that's good.
Okay.
Hit direct, the D key, direct.
Okay.
Start with the small knob. It'll default to K. Turn it one turn to K.
Okay.
Take the big knob, move the field. What's the identifier of the airport up there?
KMWO.
Go ahead and put that in. Use the small key now to...
Okay.
MWO. No, it's not correct. Back.
KMW.
Mike Whiskey Oscar.
Okay, now that I've got it on there.
Now hit enter. So you want to enter. Now it's going to ask you, it's kind of confirming you. Do you want to go to that? Just confirm it. Yeah. Okay it again. Enter. And this page doesn't tell you much. So you either hit nav or turn that one knob. Just hit the nav page.
Okay.
And that's what we want.
What would the knob have done? Would it have done the same
turn
thing?
to this page too.
Okay. Are there multiple pages to go to?
Yeah,
Is that what it is?
Yeah, there's different ones you can do there. Frequencies are in there, and that's 11 miles. Your current track was 006. That's what when you were coming out of here.
So you could cheat and figure out what your frequencies are.
Yeah, you need to learn to use your chart. Okay, that's a 30-mile ring, so I can change the range on it. See it down here with the small key. Just leave it there. It just gets too cluttered. And the big
where was it telling you 30? I missed it.
Right there.
Oh, in the right corner. Okay,
yeah.
All right.
That is DTK. That's your desired track from right here. Right here. And what is it?
Desired track from right here is 06.
Oh, it isn't?
No, I'm sorry.
DTK is 038.
038.
This is about what we figured, wasn't it?
What's the 6?
Huh? That was the current heading, your track.
Okay. All right.
Which is actually, more that way, but that's the current track of the airplane. All right, what's the AWAS? You got your chart out for this? Where's your chart and stuff? Go ahead and put the AWAS in up there. You can preload and get a lot of this stuff done before we depart. But their AWAS is on the chart there.
Right in the crease. It's 120.02.
Okay, we'll go ahead and put that in on the standby.
And the standby is down here?
There, standby active. Says it right on there.
0. A minute.
02. Go to 02. Down. Go down.
Okay, I don't have to hit the 0.5 because you won't see that's military.
No.
Okay.
No, but if you wanted 05 in there, I could do it this way. Or I could do it with the big one.
Okay.
Do it either way. So how do you get it down to there? Well, I can go to 7 and down to 5, it's 02.
02, okay, gotcha.
And there's about 3-4 different ways you can get that number in there. But alrighty, we ready?
We are ready.
Transponder, put that on altitude.
Don't see anybody.
Butler County traffic, Cessna 6252 Delta departing runway 11 for northeast heading, Butler County.
Into the sun we go. Wheels on the floor. Rotate. I can only imagine what this would feel like with 4 people in here. I notice the difference when you're not in here.
Oh yeah,
So when we get
a little heavier, yeah.
When you got more weight, we're going to need more
not
distance.
Really. Well, maybe a little longer, but speed-wise, everything's the same. That never changes.
City traffic 967 Rodeo.
There's
3 miles an hour.
Old saying, people used to say, I start putting people in the back, I'll add 5 knots for my mother-in-law and 5 for my, you don't need to do that, huh?
They say they would add speed for?
Well, yeah, it's just a kind of an old saying in aviation, but it's not true. You don't need to do that.
Line of 2000?
2000, maybe 25. Climbing pretty good today. Wintertime.
Cool air. Our friend.
Our course heading is 035, so you need to come over a little bit, Rob, don't you? A little bit? You're on the wrong side of the 3 there.
03.
All you got to do is look for the towers and the steel plant.
I don't want to cheat.
Well, yeah, but I want you looking out the window, there's the steel plant. Pretty hard to miss the airport, you find that. Okay, why don't we listen to the weather there? Let's make sure we're getting our VFR here. Go ahead and put that in. And then in here, no, go ahead and put it in. You're not in use. You're in standby. It's still in standby. Put it in use.
Hang on, I don't know how to do it.
Well, wait, let me show you. What's that say up there? Standby.
Going to take off.
Active.
Oh, okay, yes it does.
This is that's how you put it in. You move them back and forth. You don't know how to do that?
I thought I had just done that.
Automatic weather observation. 1, 4, 2,
okay,
3,
what's their CTAP?
Weather, wind, calm, visibility, 5.
Let's put that over here on your standby.
Below, 1, 2,000, temperature, 3, Celsius, dew point, 2.
1230.
Okay.
Automatic weather observation. 4, 3.
Bottom
Weather,
knob.
wind, calm, visibility 7, mist, clear. Below
That's
1,
good.
2,000, temperature Celsius 2.3, altimeter 2, 9er.
So that's showing me what? Telling me what?
Middletown Municipal Airport.
Automatic weather observation 1, 4, 2, 3, Zulu.
I don't know what we're looking for.
Wind, calm, visibility 7,
Well, you're looking
mist,
for the
clear.
airport.
Below 1, 2,000, temperature 3, Celsius 2.3, altimeter 2, 9er.
Okay, that's good.
Middletown
What's the visibility there?
Airport.
Automatic weather observation.
What's the
1,
visibility?
4, 2, 4, Zulu. Weather, wind, calm, visibility 7, mist,
Calm,
clear.
7 miles.
Below 1,
Mist.
2,000, temperature.
Okay, well, I don't need to listen to that anymore. So the winds are calm. We can pick our right. Let's just use 2-3.
Okay.
We'll just use that one, Rob, since we're trying to be set up, right? Got the airport yet, or?
So, yeah, I see it, but now I assume that's just fog, correct?
Yeah, just low. Well, it's a cloud, but pretty low to the ground.
So is that an issue for me? Because I'm
Well, no.
flying above it.
The airport's 7 miles missed. I see it.
All
I
right.
think we're good.
All right, now where does this tell me the distance from me to the airport?
4 miles.
4 miles.
They're tracking 005 and the airport heading 038. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Middletown, Cessna 6252 Delta, 2 miles to the southwest for 23, Middletown.
Yeah, just for downwind for 23.
It is fast tracks 2. I'm just off of 23.